Good day ma'am, my name is Jerwin Bailo Narciso from 3CRI A2-4. Ang report ko po ngayon is all about forensic toxicology. Ang lesson objectives po natin ngayon is number 1, trace the history of toxicology. Number 2, discuss the importance of toxicology. So let's proceed. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng toxicology, forensic toxicology, at forensic toxicologies? When we say toxicology, it's a branch of science. So it deals with the nature and poisonous and toxic and toxicants. So dito po is inaalam po or na-identify din na determine yung mga iba't ibang klase ng toxics or mga lasons or poisons. So kung yung mga halaman through the nature, yung mga halaman po kung ano pwedeng kainin ng mga tao, at yung mga hayop na pwedeng kainin, at yung mga bawal din, at kung ano yung mga nakakalason at pwedeng maka-harm sa ating katawan. So in forensic toxicology naman po, it's either in studying of the poisons on the living things or for the purpose of the law. So when we say for the purpose of the law, it is in crime investigation. So yung forensic toxicology, nakakatulong siya sa crime investigation to determine what the causes of death of the victim. Then the last is forensic toxicologist. So when we say forensic toxicologist, it refers to a person who working in lab to determine or identifying the samples that gathered in crime investigation. Next is importance and fields of forensic toxicology. Ano nga ba kahalagahan ng forensic toxicology? So, lalo na sa crime investigation. So, nakakatulong to sa crime investigation para mapabilis yung crime investigation. For example, yung isang biktima is namatay. So, wala siyang sugad-sugad na malala na pwede mag-cause ng kamatayan niya. So, ang investigator is ang magiging kwan niya is namatay yung biktima dahil sa lason. So, i-apply na rito yung forensic toxicology. Yung mga forensic toxicologists is i-identify yung mga blood samples ng biktima or para malaman kung anong klaseng poison yung nakamatay sa kanya. So, napakahalaga ng forensic toxicology sa crime investigation dahil malaki ang tulong nito para mapabilis ang investigasyon sa isang crime. So, meron pa, isa pa yung sa criminal trial. Yung mga criminal, for example, is na-frame up lang sila. Ay, kunwari, nagtip lang sa kanya drug user siya. So, sa pamamagitan ng forensic toxicology, ida-drug test siya. So, kailangan accurate yung testing nito. Yung toxicology testing is accurate. So, kung nag-negative yung criminal or yung akusado, is pwede siyang makalaya. So, napakalaki talaga ng kahalagahan ng forensic toxicology, lalo na sa crime investigation and for the purpose of the law. History of forensic toxicology. In 1500 Anno Domini, yung Greek physician is classified 600 plants, animals, and mineral poisons. So, ginagamit din nila to as a medicine and as a weapon to poisonous their enemy. Like in 5400 Anno Domini, yung mga Romans po is ginamit po nila yung poison for the purpose of execution and assassinations. So nung before Christ po, yung mga Egyptian po is mas na-discover sila ng mas maraming poisonous or toxicants. So habang tumatagal nga po is hanggang ngayon marami nang nadidiscover na mga poisonous and toxicants sa mundo natin. Then si philosopher Socrates naman po is ginamit niya yung hemlock or isang uri ng halaman sa pagtuturo. Then si Matthew or Phila po is tinawag siya na father of toxicology dahil nga po sa publish niya na scientific treatise for the purpose of detection of poisons. So the last is ways on how forensic toxicology collect samples. So yung forensic toxicologist po is kinukuha po nila yung samples dun sa investigators or sa forensic pathologist. Yung forensic pathologist po is also medical examiner. So, lahat po ng blood samples at urine samples and also the fiber and hair na nakuha ng investigator or pathologist is ibinibigay po kay forensic toxicologist. So, siya yung nag-e-examine ng mga evidence na yun. So, syempre, bago mapunta kay forensic toxicologist, label and sealed na yun ng mga investigator and medical examiner for the purpose of contamination. So, ang trabaho po talaga ni forensic toxicologist is to examine the evidence. So, yun nga po doon na nga po papasok din yung forensic laboratory. So, sila po yung namamahala sa mga evidence na nakukolekta ng mga investigators. So, meaning to say, the forensic toxicologist is collected the samples to the pathologist or forensic pathologist and to the investigator. So, the lesson objectives again is number 1, trace the history of toxicology. Number 2 is discuss the importance of toxicology. So, that's all po, ma'am. Thank you for watching and listening. Keep safe and God bless.